Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Lone Star Chick Plans, and today we're going to be doing cash stuffing for my mom, aka Gramzee's budget. So let's do a quick cash count. We'll get the money set up and we'll get going. This is going to be stuffing for her month ahead bills and some sinking funds. So let's get into it. We're gonna be stuffing 1,283. Okay, so let's do a quick cash count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1,000 100 1,200 220 240 250 260 275 76 77 78 79 80 81 82 83. So 1,283, and we're gonna get this stuffed. So just a quick sec. All right, you guys, I got my thumbnail, so now I'm gonna get this money set up real quick, and then we'll get started. All right, we gotta go back one more. All right, so let's get started with what we're stuffing today. So we're gonna get our binder out and get it set up here. So we're gonna start with sinking funds. Let's see, we're gonna do $6 for car insurance. I mean renter's insurance, not car insurance, renter's insurance. So that's $6. And let's see how much we have. All right, so we have 20, 30, 5, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, $42 for renter's insurance. So we're definitely on track with that. Now this one is car insurance. This is going to be $108. So 100, 5 and 2, 3, 1. So 108. And we're gonna see how much we have in here. We may need to do a little condensing soon because this envelope is getting a little thick. So for car insurance, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Let me do that again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 20 40 51 2 3 4 5 6. So 756, and that is exactly what we have. All right, so the next one is car registration. So this one I think is going to be empty because we need to pay that this month. So what we stuffed, we actually pulled right out because she needed to go get that done. So we are going to skip over that one this month. Co-pays is getting a 20. So just a single 20. Let's see how much we have in here. So 20, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So we have $50 in co-pays, and this is for her doctor visits. We're just slowly stuffing that envelope. The next one is medicines, and I believe we're only stuffing $1, and we only have $1. So we're gonna have $2. And this is just for a quarterly aspirin prescription that she gets. It's cheaper to do it through a prescription than it is to get it over the counter, so that's why she does it that way, and it's only due quarterly, $3. So we're doing that. So the next one is gifts, and we're gonna do $25, and that is a 20 and a 5. So let's see how much we have. 25, 35, 45. So we got 45. Let's see, we have 20, 30, 45. Yeah, so we have 45 in here. So I'm not sure what happened here. So we have let me do some math here real quick. So that's 42 plus 25, 57 minus 52, that's 15 plus 25. So she had, well, whatever the case is, she now has 45. So we are going to add we're going to add 45 on here. All right, so I think maybe she didn't update the tracker yet or something, because online I show it should be 45. So printer ink, I think we're skipping that one this month, but let's see how much we have. 10, 25, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 34. We have 34. For Google One, we are stuffing $3. So that's 1, 2, 3. All right, so let's see how much we have. 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 27. We have 27. So software, I think we're skipping that one because we already used the money that was in there for the annual renewal. So the next thing we're stuffing is bills, and that is going to be, the first one is rent, trash, and pest control, and we're stuffing $910. So that is going to be 900s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 900 and a 10. So $910. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So $910 for rent, trash, and pest control for next month. All right, utilities is getting 110. So another 100 and a 10. So let's see how much we have now. Oops, I dropped one. All right, so we have 1, 2, 20, 230, 240, 245, 246, $247. So electric, we are stuffing 75. So what did we do here? Okay, so internet. Okay, so electric. So internet is getting 50, and there's nothing in there now. And I guess she took out extra. Car wash, we're not stuffing. Electric, we stuffed. So we need to put 50. We need to actually put 75 in here. So I need to make a note. I think she took out 25 for my niece for a birthday gift. So, and that should have come out of gifts. So I think maybe oh, you know what? That's what it is. The 25 for gifts should have been not put in there. So let's take out 25. That's where we went wrong. So it should be 20. So she did have it correct. All right. She did leave me a note, but I wasn't sure what it meant, so I didn't follow through with that. And I guess that's what she meant. Okay, so I'll go back and fix the tracker on it. So electric should have an extra 25 because it should have been 75 that we were stuffing. So I already added the 50, so I now added the other 25. So let's give it a quick cash count. So 50, 100, 150, 175, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 184 is what we have in electric now. So we've got a little bit of a buffer plus next month's bill, which is $63. So internet we just stuffed, that was $50, and we're not stuffing car wash because we canceled our subscription right now. So I'll go back and fix the gifts tracker. Okay, so let me I can add that in. Okay, so we are caught up and we are now done with our cash stuffing. That was $1,283. And that's it, you guys. That's all I have for today. Thank you so much for tuning into another video. Thanks for clicking. If you like the video and you like this content, please like the video, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe if you're interested in watching more videos, and stay tuned for, for more videos. I've got some content coming up, and so yeah, if you guys like this content, then leave me a comment. Like, share, subscribe, do all the things, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.